So, introduction to routing. So, this is the router. Um, Router is a hardware device designed to take incoming packets, analyze the packets, moving the packets to another network, converting the packets to another network interface, dropping the packets, directing packets to the appropriate location, and performing any other number of other actions. It has a lot more capabilities than other network devices such as a hub or a switch that are only able to perform basic network functions. And these are the network center. So router has two connections, WAN connection and LAN connection. WAN connection, also called as wide area network. So more on business and government entities use this to relay data among employees, clients, buyers, and suppliers from various geographical locations. Another one is the LAN connection or local area network. It is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area such as home, school, computer laboratory, or office building using network media. So, as you can see, data is sent from the packets between two end devices. Routers are used to direct packet to its destination. Another one, you can see that the routers examine a packet destination IP address and determine the best path when listing the aid of routing table. Um, this is the router components and their functions. Number one is the CPU. It executes operating system instructions. Random access memory, or RAM, contains the running copy of configuration file, stores routing table, RAM contents lost when power is off. Another one is read-only memory, or ROM. It holds the diagnostic software used when router is powered up, stores the router bootstrap program. The fourth one is non-volatile RAM, or NVRAM. Stores startup configurations. This may include IP address, routing protocol, hostname of router. The fifth one is flash memory. It contains the operating system, or the Cisco IOS. Interfaces. There exist multiple physical interfaces that are used to connect network. So example of this interfaces type, Ethernet, fast Ethernet interfaces, serial interfaces, and management interfaces. So this is the type of router interfaces. Also, Ethernet, fast Ethernet, serial, DSL, ISDN, and cable. There are two major groups of router interfaces. So as you can see, the LAN interfaces and WAN interfaces. So first one, LAN interfaces. Um, are used to connect router LAN to network. It has a layer 2 MAC address and it can be assigned a layer 3 IP address. Usually consists of an RJ45 jack. So another one is the WAN interfaces are used to connect routers to external networks that interconnect LANs. Depending on the WAN technology, a layer 2 address may be used. It also uses a layer 3 IP